Y'all hear that? 5 more of these, and I'm gonna wake him up. Cause he ain't the only one that wanna sleep. Shit. Y'all gonna count with me? Let's do it. I hope he don't get mad, but he got to go.